A cuckoo lived on a tree in the forest. There were some other birds living on the same tree. When the cuckoo was happy, it was singing. This would annoy other birds. One day, all the birds together chased it away. It went and sat on a dry tree outside the forest. Just then, another cuckoo came there. Seeing one of his relatives sitting in despair, he asked what was the reason for his despair. The first cuckoo said, I lived on a tree in the forest. I used to sing when I was happy. One day, the other birds living on that tree said, why are you singing? They asked. I sing for my happiness. I said that I cannot live without singing. Then all the birds together chased me away from there. Then the second cuckoo said, who have given the wrong answer?